Welcome back to the channel, gang. This is going to be more or less like a tutorial. It's going to be slow and deliberate. We're going to be doing some live videos very soon here of me on the piano. We like to use these screens so you can see the notes that are being used, right? Because if I'm just playing at the piano, you're not going to be able to see the notes, right? And so we're just going to show you how some of Lacrimosa is played. You kind of hear this tune around TikTok a lot and Instagram. So let's give it a shot. You know, if you want to hear the entire piece undisrupted without the stopping and, emphasizing the notes, you can just go through the library of our videos. It should be a video on there where we just play it right through. So let's see here. Bum 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 bum. Bum G. That was F3. D flat. Yeah, you can hear it the full piece, undisturbed, on another video. Take care.